In this video, I'll show you how you can make strides in your metabolic health with the MetaPWR Metabolic Blend. This essential oil blend is designed to do a metabolic makeover that helps shrink fat cells and reduce cravings. I'll be showing you how to use MetaPWR for the quickest and most effective way to kickstart your metabolism and see amazing body changes. So whether you need a jump start to lose weight, boost your mood, or just feel healthier, this video is for you. Let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacey Paulson, essential oil educator, health and business coach, and mother of 6 kids. I help women look and feel great using natural products like essential oils and healthy lifestyle tips. When people talk about metabolism, they often use words like fast or slow and may equate metabolic health with weight. But the truth is that metabolism is not the same thing as metabolic health, and it spans far beyond speed or weight. Your metabolism is a complex system that influences your energy, weight, body composition, and so much more. You may already be familiar with how metabolism works. At its core, metabolism is simply our body using fuel, like food, to create the building blocks it needs and to generate the energy required to run cellular processes. While metabolism isn't everything, it's certainly impacting your health, especially as you age. Now let's look at some things that affect your metabolic health. These are exercise, diet, and supplementation, human connections, and rest and stress management are all determinants that affect metabolic health. And of course, genetics affects metabolic health too, but exercise, diet, rest, relationships are all lifestyle factors that you can influence for the better. These reflect your metabolic health now. So let's look at some of the things your metabolic health affects, or rather factors that are reflected or a reflection of the state of your metabolic health. These include blood sugar, blood pressure, lipid types and levels, and weight. When you effectively focus on these areas just mentioned, exercise, eating right, developing strong connections with others, and managing stress and getting enough rest, it positively affects blood pressure, blood sugar, and weight. So MetaPWR oil, developed with Doterra clinical researchers, they developed this proprietary blend that's a balanced ratio of certified pure tested grade grapefruit, lemon, peppermint, ginger, and cinnamon bark essential oil. The MetaPWR essential oil blend can serve as an important part of a daily healthy metabolic regimen when used internally. An unpublished preclinical study suggests that metabolic blend may target and reduce adipose fat cells when ingested. Limonene, a prominent chemical component in MetaPWR, may support a healthy metabolism when it's ingested. So consuming peppermint essential oil, a MetaPWR ingredient, has been shown to decrease appetite and enhance exercise performance. The citrusy, spicy, and minty aroma of MetaPWR also promotes a stimulating, uplifting environment, so when you're diffusing it. MetaPWR Metabolic Blend, part of this MetaPWR metabolic system, supports healthy wellness regimens focused on increased energy and vitality, metabolic health, and weight management to add health to your lifespan. So the primary benefits may support healthy metabolic function when these are ingested. They may help reduce adipose fat cells when it's ingested, help curb hunger cravings, and promote mindful eating. It also may help improve exercise performance. Creates an uplifting, stimulating environment. Let's look at the 5 essential oils in the metabolic blend, and then I'll share my tips and tricks to using this blend effectively. If you want to learn about the complete metabolic makeover system and our free 30 days of support, I'll link that in the description below. So first, lemon essential oil. Lemon essential oil is cold pressed from the rind of the fruit. Lemon oil has a clean, fresh, citrus scent that provides an uplifting, positive boost throughout the day. The main chemical constituent of lemon essential oil is limonene, which may support metabolism, again, when you're taking this internally. Grapefruit essential oil is referred to as a forbidden fruit and one of the 7 wonders of Barbados. So grapefruit was first documented in 1750 by Welshman Reverend Griffith Hughes. The name grapefruit is attributed to the fruits growing in clusters which resemble those of grapes. Grapefruit essential oil can create an uplifting, stimulating environment. It's ideal when motivating yourself throughout the day. Again, the main chemical constituent of grapefruit essential oil is limonene, which may support metabolism, again, when we're taking it internally. So certified pure, tested grade citrus oils have high levels of limonene. Limonene stimulates the body's production of glutathione, the master antioxidant. We have both lemon and grapefruit essential oils in this MetaPWR metabolic blend. So glutathione has many benefits for the body. It assists in your digestion. It helps to improve your metabolism. Glutathione helps with weight loss because it helps your body shift from fat production to muscle development. It also helps your body to burn fat cells, and it helps your liver remove toxins, both of which lead to losing weight. Glutathione helps reduce lipogenesis, fat storage. It improves insulin sensitivity and decreases that belly fat. So peppermint essential oil is found again in this blend. It's a hybrid of watermint and spearmint and was first described by Carl Linnaeus in 1753. A high menthol content like that found in Doterra's peppermint essential oil distinguishes the best quality peppermint oil from other products. A clinical study from June of 2022 showed that peppermint oil is highly effective in reducing appetite and decreasing food cravings. As a result, participants were able to significantly reduce their calorie intake and support their weight loss goals. Peppermint helps your stomach process fat, ensuring even high-fat foods like burgers and steaks are digested quickly. In addition to these benefits, you can take peppermint for healthy weight support, as it is known to suppress hunger, speed up metabolism, and lower stress, all vital for long-term healthy, ideal weight. Now let's talk about ginger essential oil. So it's derived from the ginger plant, the subterranean stalk of the plant that shoots out the root system, an excellent digestive tonic. Ginger essential oil has great internal benefits for your body. It's known for its ability to soothe the stomach when it's ingested. Ginger affects how your body burns fat, thermogenesis, digests carbohydrates, and uses insulin. Cinnamon bark essential oil is another one in the blend. Cinnamon is derived from a topical evergreen tree that grows to 45 feet high and has highly fragrant bark, leaves, and flowers. The sweet, spicy aroma of cinnamon is loved around the world. Experimental research has shown that a key chemical constituent of cinnamon bark also supports healthy metabolic function when it's taken internally. Cinnamon essential oil supports cholesterol levels and heart health. Cinnamon essential oil has the ability to increase insulin secretion, thereby helping support healthy blood sugar balance and reduce cravings. So MetaPWR metabolic blend may reduce adipose fat cells. So it's helping to shrink those fat cells when we're ingesting it, helps with curbing hunger cravings, and promotes mindful eating. The essential oil blend also promotes a healthy digestive system and may increase or improve exercise performance. So how can you use this blend? So you can diffuse it or place a few drops on your hands and then cup and inhale that. And inhale deeply and enjoy that stimulating environment that's ideal for exercise. You can combine it with a carrier oil or lotion during an uplifting massage, and it helps to reduce those fat cells in those areas. You could take it internally to help reduce cravings. So again, directions for use: aromatically, add a few drops to your diffuser and just breathe that in throughout the day. Internally, take 4 drops in 8 fluid ounces of water and just drink that. And then topically, apply 1 to 2 drops to desired areas where you want some help. Dilute with a carrier oil to minimize any kind of skin sensitivity. So cautions, there may be possible skin sensitivity, that's why we ask you to dilute, and also just keep them out of the reach of children. If you are pregnant, nursing, or under a doctor's care, consult your physician. And then also avoid contact with your eyes, your inner ears, and then any sensitive areas of your body. Avoid sunlight and UV rays for at least 12 hours after applying them topically, but usually we're applying them where the sun don't shine. Use MetaPWR Metabolic Blend to kick those cravings again. You can take MetaPWR Metabolic Blend to curb those cravings, which means making or skipping the junk, snacky foods and sugary indulgences, which often we crave. So when cravings come calling, you can chew the gum. There's a MetaPWR gum, and there's also MetaPWR beadlets. You may find it even more helpful to get in front of those cravings by keeping them from nagging you in the first place. And you can do this by adding a drop or two of MetaPWR Metabolic Blend to your water to drink throughout the day. You can also take MetaPWR soft gels to help you meet your healthy goals. The bottom line is you don't have to feel like you're fighting cravings all by yourself. You can reduce and manage those cravings better when you have a little bit of help with this MetaPWR Essential Oil blend. And the MetaPWR system is available to help you live a more powerful life. It helps support metabolism, energy, and health on a cellular level. Each product in the system, and I will link up where you can get this, metabolic health, and they enhance each other. So when you're using there's 3 different products combined, they enhance each other. And the foundation of the system is the MetaPWR Metabolic Blend, which features the proprietary blends of essential oils that have the grapefruit, the lemon, the peppermint, ginger, cinnamon bark. And according to that unpublished study, remember that it really helps to shrink those fat cells. The MetaPWR system also includes MetaPWR Assist, which helps with blood glucose regulation within normal range, and MetaPWR Advantage, which tackles metabolism from the perspective of aging. All the products together are far more effective than just the essential oil blend by itself. The MetaPWR system combines cutting-edge essential oil science and metabolic research to maximize your metabolic health like never before. Each product in the system contributes something: appetite, normal range blood glucose management, metabolic energy, and they fit together seamlessly. If you're looking for a community of like-minded women, come join me in my free lifestyle upgrade experience group, where you can learn all the tips and tricks for using essential oils, including this metabolic makeover and the MetaPWR system. I also know that looking and feeling great costs money. If you're open to learning how to get paid to live healthy, check out how thousands are doing this around the world. I'll link up the 5-minute video for Get Paid to Live Healthy Wellness Program. And if you found this video helpful, make sure that you click the like and subscribe button to be notified every time I upload a new video.